everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new, please subscribe. I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful abstract acrylic pour. Now it took a little bit of time to get to this point. I had a little bit of trouble, but keep watching and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so everybody, here is the canvas. It's a 15 by 30. And there you go, that's 30 inches. So what I'd like to do is kind of split it, but right down the middle isn't very nice. I think it's nicer to go up just a little bit, so it's not quite in the middle. So I'm going to split it by pouring my white at around 13.5, so just about there. Okay, here we are finally. I don't know what happened today, but I had to do this particular size, 15 by 30. I think this is the 4th time. Wow, but anyway, I just love it now, and that's most important to me. I have to love it. Look at the lacing. Wow. I love these colors together, and I love that there is some negative space on either side. There's a bit of gray, black, and gold. Look at that. And I will definitely show you when it dries, because I think it will be stunning. Look. Wow. Yay! Here it is, all dried up as promised, and wow, I love it. The gold is amazing in this. Look at it, it's like a crown. It is so beautiful. I love the color combination, this beautiful gray, black, and gold. The negative space really focuses on this middle part, which I love that. I think it looks awesome. If you click on the link you see now, you can see a lot more of my fluid pours. There it is.